Hello friends, so welcome back to my channel. So here is my Battlefield 1. Okay, so you can see the error message. This is because MSVCP120.dll. Okay, let's get started and come to this website. Okay, then download this DLL. I will leave the link on the description. You just scroll down so you can see the version of DLL files. Okay, so I have 64-bit, so click here in details. After that, scroll down a little bit down, then you can see the start download. So start it downloading and download it. Okay, then you can open this file. Okay, I will extract it. So here you can do extract here. Okay, so copy this one to the folder C and go to Windows and System 32. Okay, then paste it here. Click on continue. And also go back to Windows again and here SYS WOW. Okay, paste here also, continue. Now let me open again. Okay, so here here Battlefield Real Access. Okay, so enjoy your game. Thank you so much.